All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to First Energy Stadium in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm Jake Dolan here with Scotty Huffman, bringing you San Francisco 49ers against the Cleveland Browns. Here comes the kickoff by Robbie Gould. We've got Hilliard back deep to take this one back. Just going to call for the fair catch, so take about 25. He's a Niners fan, huh?
Yeah, unfortunately, we've been trying to convert him over to the Panthers side for a few years now. He's a fair weather Panthers fan.
Yeah.
So
Mayfield in the shotgun. 5 wide Tyson to run it up the middle here.
little cheese off the quarterback coming out of the backfield there. No pressure. Go ahead and just cheese ball it up. This is right up Charles's alley. He is world renowned for his cheese play.
We got a 3rd and 5 here from the 30. Johnson in the backfield. One of Johnson's favorite routes can run here. He's thrown to Landry, though, and that is picked off by Jason Barrett. That's a big-time interception there. Look at the ball at midfield. How about that one there, huh?
Did he keep him in? Oh, it looks like he dragged the left toe at the last second. I kind of wonder how the replay's been done this year. I don't know if you can actually do the passing interference. I know it's an NFL rule.
Yeah, I don't know if you can challenge it this year.
So
Garoppolo starting off the drive, but McKinnon there stuffed by Schobert. That was McKinnon, that was Coleman. Sorry. Goodwin and Pettis out wide here. Alpo George Kittle. He's going deep here for Pettis, and Pettis beats the safety, and he's gone. Lollygagged that one into the end zone for a San Francisco touchdown and an early 6-0 lead for the 49ers.
is all Madden going to quit in the first minute and 41 seconds of the game? Let's see what he does. He's got 24 seconds to decide. Yeah, it's like, I wish we could, I'll add some, sound stuff. We can cue up, Jeopardy music. And
Oh, and the Pure has conceded. Scotty, good thing we get paid by the game here because...
Well, that's all we needed, and we will send the bills to Rabbit Sheriff directly.